How's it going, everyone? Today we'll be replacing the cabin air filter on a 2011 Toyota Sienna. First thing we're going to do is open the glove box. Then right here you can see this sort of dampener arm. And all you're going to do is you're going to pull or push out to release the pressure, and it will come off like that, okay? And then to release the glove box from this area here, you're going to just kind of pull in, and these two little kind of tabs are going to be holding in. There's one on this side, so kind of pull in like this, and then on the other side you'll do the same thing, kind of pull towards the middle until that tab releases, and then you can just lower the glove box all the way. Now inside the glove box area we have these two tabs that hold this sort of door that holds the air filter. So just go ahead and release each tab. One, and then the second one's on this side. Release them both. And then we're going to go ahead and just pull this door off. Like so. And then here we can see our air filter. And we're going to go ahead and pull that just straight out. And here we can see some nice collections of leaves and what looks like rat poo and other items, so it's probably a good thing that we are getting this replaced. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and take our new cabin air filter with the airflow arrow pointing down, and we're just going to go ahead and slide that back into the housing like so. Then we'll take our panel. You'll see here where it says up, so make sure that is pointing up, and we're just going to go ahead and we're going to slide that back over. You hear a click on the left side, and then a click on the right side. That is good. And now we can go ahead and reinstall our glove box. So make sure that the hinges are fully installed, and it should kind of rotate freely. Then lift up. We got to push these tabs in once again. So just push on both sides. You'll feel it click in, and it'll be engaged in the sort of slot right here. Then we can take our damper, pull it down, slide it over this tab right here, and then you're just going to push it on like so, and then you can go ahead and close your glove box, and job done.